Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about another analysis which is called as SWOT analysis. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunity, threat analysis. The second unit we have discussed about environmental scanning, both external analysis and internal analysis. At the time I explained you what is the outcome of external analysis and internal analysis. Outcome of external analysis is opportunities and threats in the external environment. Outcome of internal analysis is strengths and weaknesses of organizations. This is the outcome of both external environmental scanning and internal environmental scanning. By combining these strengths and opportunities of an organization, that might be converted as a specific capabilities, okay, that gives rise to the distinctive competency of an organization. So based on these strengths, weaknesses, opportunity and threat, considering both internal and external environment outcome, there are different strategies can be followed or action plans can be taken for uh, for achieve the organizational objective. So this is called as a SWOT analysis, also called as a TOS matrix. TOS is threat, opportunity, weakness, strength matrix. Okay, here you have seen, you have taken strengths and weaknesses, okay, in the top side. The left side we have taken opportunities and threats. So opportunities and threats are identified through external environmental analysis. That's why I mentioned external opportunities and external threats. Strengths and weaknesses of organizations are identified through internal analysis. That's why we have mentioned internal strengths and internal weaknesses. Okay, if the organization, as a result of internal analysis and external analysis, you have found out something. If the internal analysis shows there is a strength of an organization have a major strengths in some areas. At the same time, they identified opportunities in the external environment. Then suitable strategies, SO strategy, strength opportunity strategy. Using a strength of an organization, the opportunities may be utilized. That means use that means strength. Use strength to take advantage of opportunities. Using your strength, you try to capture or utilize the opportunities available in the external environment. Okay, matching strength with the opportunities, that is a highly favorable situation for any organization. You have a strength, at the same time you have opportunities in the external environment, so you can use your strength to capture or utilize the or take advantage of the opportunities in the external environment. This is one situation. If opportunities are there in the external environment but organization have major weaknesses, okay, in this case WO strategies, that means take advantage of O by overcoming weaknesses. Opportunities are there, you must utilize those opportunities, but you have weaknesses, so the company has to take effort and action to overcome the weaknesses so that they can take advantage of the opportunity available in the external environment. For example, if a company has a very traditional way of doing a manufacturing system, very old technology, okay, but there are opportunities are available if you have a latest technology. Okay, you have to quickly produce a product and quality product. For that, the existing technology won't be feasible. The technology is your weakness. But if you have a superior technology, there are opportunities, plenty of need, demand for that particular product. So what you have to do, you have to eliminate, remove, overcome your weaknesses by changing the technology. By adopting a new technology, you can take the advantages of opportunity, market demand. Market demand is the opportunity. You can address those market demand by implementing a new technology. This is called as a WO strategies. In this particular situation, if the situation where you have a strength but the external environment pose lot of threats. Okay, you find no opportunities outside, only you have you find the problems for your organization from outside. So in this situation, what a company can do is ST strategies. Okay, use your strength to avoid threat. Okay, you have a strength, outside you have a problem, using your strength avoid your problems from having a negative impact on your business, on your organization. In the SO strategy, where you have used your strength to capture the opportunity, here you are using your strength to avoid the threats and negative impact on your organization. The fourth possibility is you have a weaknesses, at the same day you have a threats in the external environment. The WT strategies: minimize weaknesses and avoid threats. Okay, so by minimizing your weaknesses or overcoming your weaknesses, to some extent you can avoid your threats. Okay, but you cannot take advantage of opportunity because opportunities are there. Okay, you have to overcome the weakness to avoid the threat, otherwise company will face a negative consequences because of the threats in the external environment. These are all the four possible situations based on the strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, threats identification in the organization environment. Okay, so this is called as a SWOT analysis or TOWS matrix. Okay, thank you.